Hey guys, what's happening? How to change mode in Block Blast. So first of all, launch the game, okay, and then go to the settings gear at the top right, okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click more games, right, and then you're gonna go ahead and click start, or you can see right here the more settings, right, and this is for only for feedback, right. You can click more games, right, and you're gonna be able, from there you're gonna change mode, right. You're gonna exit, right, to the main mode and click the settings here and hit more games. You're gonna be able to play with different modes, okay. And make sure also before you do that, make sure to update the Block Blast, right. Make sure to update it to the latest version in order to make sure you have the latest version. If you basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you don't see the different modes, your version may not support them. See you in the next one.